In today's video, I'll quickly walk you through on how to change downloads location, which you can call downloads folder, all right, on Microsoft Edge browser. When you're downloading something from Microsoft Edge, most times it is saved in the downloads folder of your laptop, all right? See, I'm using Windows 11. But see, I'm going to walk you through on how to choose a separate folder. Maybe you want everything to be downloaded in a different folder. Let's just get right into it. Okay, the first step you need to take is to launch your Edge browser, or if you're already on it, just be on the page. Okay, so once you're here, click on these three dots at the top right, and then you will see some options here. Select downloads. Okay, so once you select downloads, you will see some files that are recently downloaded on your PC, but it's just not what you are interested in here. So click on these three dots on that downloads pop up. Okay, then select download settings. On getting to this download settings, you will see location here. Okay. With what this means is that anytime I'm downloading something from my PC, it's going to be saved in the downloads folder of my PC. Okay. Then click on change. Once you click on change, you will see some folders that are created on the downloads folder. But we may not even be interested in any folder in this major downloads folder. Maybe we want everything we are going to be doing on the web at this moment to be saved in the videos, folder, major folder, or any of these folders you already created that you see here. So let's say I want everything to be saving in the videos folder of my laptop. So I'll click on it. Okay, so this will show you also some folders that are created in this videos folder. You can select any of them, but I want everything to be saved inside this videos major folder in this tutorial. All right, so once you click on the folder you want everything you are downloading from the web to be saved, just click on select folder. Okay, and you can see this has changed. So anytime we are downloading something, it will be saved inside this videos folder. Let's experiment and see. So I'll open a new tab. Okay, so now that I'm on this new tab, let me click on this, okay, for us to read this news. But I want us to download something from this news. Let's say this is the picture I want to download. I will right click on the picture, okay? Then we see some options and now we select save image as, okay? So you will see this image now has opened videos folder immediately because that is our new saving location on this Edge browser. So click on save. Okay, now that we have saved this picture, all right, in our new saving location, let's go and check out. So I'll click on File Explorer, then I'll click on videos. And you can see the image we just downloaded. And that's how you do it, all right? I believe this content helps you. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology, YouTube education, and self-publishing. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this video. Is it helpful or you need other help on Microsoft Edge tutorials? All right, drop that in the comment section and I will answer you. Okay. You can watch this video here to learn another stuff or another task completion on Microsoft Edge. Thank you and see you some other time. Stay blessed.